In this video, you are going to learn how to install a simple on-site biodegradable treatment toilet technology. The video is also going to explain to you the steps that you need to take whenever you want to install a biodigester. Remember, you can also use blocks for the installation of a biodigester. Just that the difference is that this video we use prefab slabs or prefabricated toilet slabs. Let me give you a simple example. In my case, when I started learning or I started doing the business of installing biodigesters, I was using blocks, but then I realized it was taking a lot of my time and was delaying the progress of the work. So the best option was to get a simple precast prefabricated slabs and then use them. It means that when you show up on site, you can finish the work in a day. Unlike the blocks that when you go on site, it might take you 2 days because then you have to get the top slabs done and it has to dry probably the next day before you put it on it. But using a precast slabs is the best form of doing a biodigester for now. It's arguable, but if you're a beginner, obviously your best bet will be to use the blocks. So watch this video and learn how to install a biodigester. Yes, yes, yeah.